Hey everyone, I wanted to make this quick video updating you on the wave structure that we're experiencing for Bitcoin and the crypto markets. We're going to blast through what I have drawn up for you here. Stick around for the whole video. I'm going to make it quick. There is some variation that we're experiencing. Also, we're going to do Mara. Comment down below what stock, asset, crypto you want me to do next, and I'll add it to the next video. Homie here wanted Mara. I had a nice little comment. We're gonna do Mara for him, so that's coming at the end of this video. Join the Discord, free in the description below. If you're a leverage trader, use MEXC. This is what I use to trade on. No VPN, no KYC. The lowest fees, the link in the description will get you 10% off those lowest fees and up to $1,000 deposit bonus, and it helps the channel out, guys. I appreciate it. Let's get into the charts here. This chart, guys, watch, I'm gonna X right out of this. This is from the premium Discord. I have all my live updated Elliott Wave charts. You just click the link and it'll pull you to the live primary Elliott Wave count that I believe that we're in. And this is what I have sketched up currently. Before we hit into the lower time frames, just to recap, we have an ABC. That's what I'm calling it. And we have finished the A wave, and we're about to come down for a B wave. The B wave I have being a corrective wave down in the form of a WXY. It can occur in a number of different ways, guys. This is just what I have sketched out and projected. If you were in the Discord, I mean, we've been calling these here, even in the free alerts. Called this top on Bitcoin here, nailed that trade, and we were in heavy shorts. So even if you're in the free Discord, guys, you will get trade setups like this, so join the Discord. Off the top, it really is going to depend on how you count this off the top on what the next wave structure is, but just the way the indicators are looking, just the way everything looks to me currently, I believe Bitcoin is going to come and tap into this liquidity here at around at least 43.7, 44K area. It's a question of how we actually do that and how we get up there now for me, rather than are we going to do it, because I believe we need to do that, but we'll see. So if you're counting this as an impulse off the top in the form of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulse structure, and in the ending 5 waves in that 5th wave, then you can say we're going to ABC correct to the upside. And if that is your count from the top, then zooming in a little closer here, you would expect some type of curl over like this, coming down to your fibs, and one final push to the upside in the form of an impulse wave. This is what looks good to me right now, guys. Originally, I do want to note, originally I had this as an A, B, C, C right there. And then I also had an A, B, C right here. So if you count it like that, and we'll get rid of everything else, you're looking at just a straight up impulse to the upside like that, rather than a more corrective approach. Either way, both counts will get you to this liquidity patch. Now also the question is, there is some liquidity sitting right here. Are we going to start coming down and have this be a flat right here, come down for one more impulsive wave and tap into this and then go? And then we can come down. Those are all valid counts, but just going off of my expertise, and I let my track record speak for itself. You can ask everyone in the Discord. I have a pretty good feel for this market at this point with all my years of trading Elliott Wave, and specifically Bitcoin using Elliott Wave. You, through pattern recognition, just get a feel for how this thing moves. So I'm in a long from the bottom. So either way, if this wants to come over, I might add to my long here and then go. If this wants to just impulse up, I'm good. If this wants to just hit it down and take me out, I have my stop loss at break even. You know, I made a killing off of this move down here. We crushed this move here. You know, so it's really, you know, if I get it, great. If I don't, whatever, on to the next trade type situation for us. Once this liquidity is taken here, I think it's off to the races to the downside. So what I'm going to do, just note that this is where my primary count is, an ABC to the downside. I would expect another ABC, and just correct on a larger scale. And I'm going to get rid of all of this real quick. And let's just play a game where off the top, instead of an impulse, it's an ABC finish right there. Doesn't really have a nice ABC structure. You want to see something more like that, but it's valid enough. And then you have a correction here. You have a correction to the downside that broke the bottom. You would expect this to be a flat at that point, where you would take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an impulse to the upside, and that would be an ABC flat. ABC. To find targets, you're pulling your fibs on the entire move, and that would still get you into this liquidity zone at 33.7 or 43.7 to 44K, which is the general area I want to hit, and then look to flip short, quite heavily short, because a down move is definitely foreseen here. So I think hopefully that makes sense to you guys. If this is an ABC to the downside, ABC to the upside, we would expect, instead of an impulse to the downside, we expect some sort of type of ABC to the downside, and we would call this WXY right here. And then I would expect another boom, wonky wave, another boom. I think this is going to be slow and methodical, just stopping everyone out as we come down to these liquidity zones. I think we're going to just slowly take this, take this, take this, scare everyone, think that we're dropping down and gonna start coming down. When you see something like this that takes out this, man, but boom, I think that's in store for us coming up in the future. Let's take a look at Mara. For Mara, it's not pretty. This wave right here does not look like a finished 5-wave structure. You wanted that to do that, and then we can go. But it is what it is. Liquidity was taken, and that's all that matters. So off of the bottom here, I have a correction up. I have a correction down. I want to see another correction up like this for a WXY that's finished. And then once we come take this level, I want to see this level taken out. I want to see liquidity taken right here. Then we can come to the downside some more when Bitcoin dumps and the crypto markets dump and everything else dumps. That's where I'm at. Let's zoom in closer to this. Looking at this a little closer, I do see some type of an up move here. Maybe take this out and then come down for some more right here like this. Come to these fib targets, which is the fib target from this, the extension of it, right there. And then you'd have an ABC finished, maybe one more, and then one more in WXY, just like Bitcoin. Then you can call it WXY, and then we go and take that liquidity out, and then we come down. All right, that's Mara. Quick, easy, guys. When you are proficient in Elliott Wave, your eyes just adjust to these charts, and that's all you can see. There's no way to unsee it. It's the best way to trade, in my opinion. If you want to learn, join the free Discord link in the description below. MEXC is the best exchange to trade on. No KYC, no VPN. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.